Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. There is the video presentation script. Part 1 is introduction. Hello everyone and hello Mr. Ruli. My name is Muhammad Raipan Juliansah and today I'm going to present an argument paragraph analysis based on article from the Sierra Journal. The article I selected is entitled The Effect of the Peer Review Technique on Student Writing Ability, written by Martin Custati and Yuhardi. The study investigated whether peer review technique could significantly improve student writing ability compared to traditional teacher feedback. The findings revealed that students who participate in peer review activities achieve a significant better writing performance. Part 2 is reading the argumentative paragraph. Based on my active reading of this study, I collaborated with Gemini to generate a strong argumentative paragraph. I'm adding the printout of the paragraph right here, and it's read as follows. Peer review technique should be integrated into writing instruction because it significantly enhances student writing ability while simultaneously promoting critical thinking and collaborative learning. The study conducted by Kusati and Yuhardi demonstrated that students who participate in peer review activities achieved better writing performance than those who relied solely on traditional teacher feedback. In other words, receiving constructive comment from peers encourage students to replace their ideas, organization, and language use more effectively. Some educators might argue that peer feedback is less reliable than teacher feedback because students are not experts. However, the finding indicates that collaborative review allows learners to be more reflective. Part 3 is structural analysis, scaffolding. Now let us break down the structural scaffolding of this paragraph. An effective argumentative paragraph does not simply summarize research findings. Instead, it uses evidence strategically to deepen a position. First, the main claim appears in the opening sentence. Peer review technique should be integrated into writing instruction because it significantly enhances student writing ability while simultaneously promoting critical thinking and collaborative learning. These are debatable claim because some people might agree while others might disagree. Second, the weaponized evidence appears in the next two sentence. The paragraph uses the study finding as evidence rather than merely reporting them. The research showed that students who used peer review technique performed better in writing than students who only received traditional teacher feedback. The evidence strengthens the argument that peer review is an effective instructional strategy. There, the reputation or counter argument is found in the sentence. Some educators might argue that peer feedback is less reliable than teacher feedback because students are not experts. This acknowledges an opposing perspective and makes the argument more balanced. Fourth, the resolution appears in the final sentence. Therefore, review technique represent a valuable pedagogical strategy that should be adopted more widely in English reading classroom. This conclusion resolves the debate and provides a clear recommendation. Overall, the paragraph follows a logical argumentative structure consisting of claim, evidence, counter-argument, and resolution. Part 4 is meta-discourse analysis. Beyond its structural framework, this paragraph is persuasive because of its strategic use of meta-discourse. First, let us examine interactive meta-discourse. The first example is the parse in other words. This function as a code gloss because it helps explain the previous statement in a clear way. It guides provider to better understand how feedback improve. The second sample is the word therefore. This function as a transition marker that signals the consolidation of the argument. It helps readers follow the logical progression from evidence to final recommendation. Next, let us examine interactional meta-discourse. The first example is the word significantly. This function as a booster because it expresses a strong level of certainty about the effective mechanism of review technique. It makes the claim more convincing. The second example is the first should be adopted more widely. This function as an engagement marker because it encourages an education to take action based on the finding. It directly involves the audience in considering the recommendation. These meta-discourse markers make the paragraph easier to follow and more persuasive. Part 5 Conclusion. In conclusion, collaborating with Gemini helped me understand how a strong argumentative paragraph is constructed through effective structural scaffolding and meta-discourse strategy. The paragraph successfully combines a clear claim, supporting evidence, a counter-argument, and a resolution. In addition, the use of interactive and interactional meta-discourse enhances clarity, coherence, and persuasiveness. That concludes my analysis presentation. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.